Hi, this is Emma Poindexter. For this Project 3 reflection, overall, how do I feel, or what did I take away from it? Overall, I feel like I chose a very interesting but difficult topic. I say this because there was no definitive answer, like pertaining to my research question, so that made the paper more difficult to write, in my opinion. But from this, I took away that I can still write a paper even with little information on the topic. Number two, what did I want my readers to take away from it? I'm hoping that my readers can learn from my paper, like learn the definition of the deterrence theory and all about the current methods in today's justice system. What kind of peer feedback did I get and how did I incorporate it? I received a small amount of feedback on gathering my sources from my peers. I was agreed with by two of my peers that Google Scholar was a great place to find my sources, and I was suggested to keep looking there and to read the abstracts and summaries to be able to really tell if the article was going to be useful to me. What aspect leaves the most room for improvement? I think that I could improve in summarizing my sources. It was very difficult for me because all of my sources were 30 plus pages. What do I like most about my paper? I like my research section the most. This is because I like the topic that I chose. I think it was difficult, which makes me more proud of the job I did. It was a challenge, but I think that I did a good job summarizing my research. I really like this beginning part. I think that I did a pretty good conclusion. Uh, I think that it was hard because there was no conclusion in any of my studies, but I stated my stance on it, and I think that that was enough. Restated my questions, which I think was a good idea. And then for my sources, it was kind of hard, but I think that overall I did as good of a job as I could do with summarizing 30-page sources. But yeah, so thank you.